Welcome to Flipdrop, the channel dedicated to finding the most profitable and undersaturated products to dropship on Aliexpress. Before we begin, I'd really appreciate you hitting that subscribe button and giving the video a like. Let's begin. Our first product is the Dog Chew Tug-of-war ball toy for teeth cleaning. This chewy ball is the all-in-one solution you never knew existed. The specially designed bristles help with your dog's dental hygiene. Also includes a hidden treat dispenser to keep your dog entertained for hours. It's easy to clean and suitable for all dogs. It's a problem solver. It's in the very lucrative pet niche. Has a lot of potential for promotion via Instagram and Facebook. This item is not overly saturated with only 522 orders on Aliexpress. The Facebook ad for this product has over 400 likes and 16 comments. Now the selling price for this item is $29.96, and the product cost is $10.16. The shipping will set you back just $1.84, leaving you with a healthy profit of $17.96. Next product is the electronic cat laser toy. Keep your cats active and entertained all day long with this irresistible laser toy. Perfect for overweight and less active cats. Their hunter nature will never be able to resist the red dot. The automatic laser works autonomously and will turn on and off based on a schedule. It has 5 range and speed settings, so you can customize the laser setting to suit your cat. Now, cat niche is a very lucrative market. People throw cash at this niche all year round. Has a high perceived value. This item is a proven seller on AliExpress with over 2,000 orders. Would be perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product has good engagement with over 700 likes, 190 comments, and 270 shares. Now the selling price for this item is $34.95, and the product cost is $18.61. The shipping is free on this item, leaving you with a profit of $16.34. Next up is the portable Paw Pool. Do your pets love being outside? Make those hot summer days more enjoyable for your pet with the Paw Pool. Unlike a standard plastic off-the-shelf baby pool, the Paw Pool is made for dogs and is built to last. Have peace of mind knowing that the pool won't leak or tear while you watch your dogs run, jump, and swim around their new play area. The pool is deep enough for your dog to get completely soaked and keep cool. No need for inflation, set it up in no time. It's in the pet care niche. Has the wow factor. This item has a lot of potential in the summer months, but can be sold all year. Would be perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product has over 4,000 likes, 1,800 comments, and over 2,000 shares. Now the selling price for this item is $24.95, and the product cost is $6.39. The shipping for this item is $8.42, leaving you with a profit of $10.14. Our next product is a portable Pilates bar. Are you ready to be a healthier version of yourself? Ready to lose lower belly fat and get toned abs? Then the portable Pilates bar is the perfect choice. Its compact design makes it easy to come apart for easy travel and storage. Pilates is not just for body shaping, it is also for health. It can help readjust your exercise patterns to prevent and relieve pain, such as back pain, shoulder and neck pain, waist pain, etc. Now this item is in the health and fitness niche. It's an evergreen product. This item has a lot of potential. Would be perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product has a lot of engagement with 30,000 likes, 4,000 comments, and over 9,000 shares. Now the selling price for this item is $29.95, and the product cost is $13.99. The shipping for this item is $3.24, leaving you with a profit of $12.71. Next item on the list is the Luminous roof lights. Turn your car into a galaxy with the Luminous roof lights. Make your journey one to remember. Easy to install. You can set yours up in less than 3 minutes. Easy to carry. It is small, light, and foldable, so you can bring it with you wherever you go. Now this item is in the automotive niche. It's an evergreen product. It has the wow factor. This item is perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product has just under 2,000 likes and 1,500 comments. Now the selling price for this item is $19.95 and the product cost is $5.38. The shipping for this item is free, leaving you with a profit of $14.57. Next up is the Dragon's Breath Immortal Lighter. Indestructible lighters based on actual designs from World War I. Perfect for camping, survival situations, sailing, and daily use. This Immortal lighter is 3 times more powerful than normal lighters, and it even works after being submerged in water. The masterfully crafted leather is embossed directly onto the holster, making it rugged and almost indestructible. The last lighter you will ever need. Now this item is in the outdoor niche. It's an evergreen product. It definitely has the wow factor. This item is perfect for a one-product store. The Facebook ad for this product has over 4,000 likes and 600 comments. Now the selling price for this item is $18.95 and the product cost is $4.68. The shipping for this item is $5, leaving you with a profit of $9.27. There will also be a free accompanying PDF for each video that will have a sample Facebook targeting graph for each product down in the description. That's it for today. If you like the content and would like to see more, please consider hitting the subscribe button and also giving the video a like. It would really help the channel out. Until next time, take care.